Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reduce the camera shake intensity on the Goat Simulator 3 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Goat Simulator 3 on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, if you wish to reduce the screen shake intensity, then in order to do so, click on the settings option. From the settings page, you will need to navigate to accessibility at the top. You can either use the Q or E key within your keyboard or directly use your mouse to go within. Now, within accessibility page, you will see various different options, including the camera shake. By default, it is set to on. So if you wish to reduce this or turn it off, then you can simply tap on the off button. This will now turn off camera shake altogether. You can also enable camera smoothing and turn on camera shake so that the shaking intensity is reduced slightly while not being turned off altogether. After making your desired changes, you can just go back and your settings will be saved. After this, you can continue playing your game with your camera shake adjustment turned off, and you may go back at any point of time to the settings page in order to once again turn it back on if you wish. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to adjust the screen shake intensity on the Goat Simulator 3 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.